Most life on Earth needs conditions to be just right, but some organisms, called extremophiles, thrive where we would be instantly crushed, boiled, or frozen. They've conquered environments from the sun-baked Sahara to the crushing dark of the Mariana Trench. In the Australian desert, the thorny devil lizard doesn't need to find a puddle. Its skin is covered in microscopic grooves that channel morning dew straight to its mouth. It literally drinks with its skin. In the opposite extreme, the Arctic, the polar bear's survival trick is a clever deception. Its fur isn't truly white. The hairs are transparent and hollow to trap heat. Underneath, its skin is pitch black to absorb every possible ray of sun. Plunge miles down into the deep ocean, where the pressure could flatten a submarine. Here, animals like the anglerfish create their own light in the total darkness, a biological lantern to lure in their next meal. Their bodies are watery and jelly-like because you can't crush a liquid. Even deeper, at volcanic vents spewing 400-degree toxic water, live giant tube worms. They have no mouth. Instead, symbiotic bacteria inside them eat toxic sulfur and convert it into food. This process, called chemosynthesis, proved that entire ecosystems could exist without the sun. But the undisputed champion of survival is microscopic, the tardigrade. When its puddle dries up, it expels nearly all its water, turns its cells to glass, and simply waits. It can survive boiling water, the vacuum of outer space, and lethal doses of radiation. Just add a drop of water, even a decade later, and it wakes up completely unharmed. These incredible survivors prove that life's rulebook is far more flexible than we ever imagined.